Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll help you get the best from your BT One Phone mobile app. It's an easy and convenient way to access your BT One Phone account, wherever you are. So we're going to show you how to install the app and explain some of its most useful features. Just a quick note before we do, you'll need to be connected to the internet to use the BT One Phone app, whether that's via Wi-Fi or your mobile data. Downloading the app. To download the BT One Phone mobile app to your device, search your App Store for BT One Phone. Once installed, you'll see the mobile app icon on your home screen. To open the app, tap the icon and log in using the same username and password you used to log in to the BT One Phone portal. If you can't remember your details, then tap "What are my login details?" at the bottom of the screen, and you'll be given the option to reset your password. You can choose whether you want the app to remember your login details. Press Login to open the app, and then Continue on the welcome screen. You'll be asked if you want to download contacts from your BT One Phone company directory to store in your phone's local address book. If you don't want to do that straight away, press Skip to go straight to the app. You can download your company contacts later if you want to, or you can press Sync to go ahead with the download. A progress screen will show you how it's going. Now you'll be able to see the names of your colleagues when they call you. Using the app. My Status is your app home screen. Tap the menu icon in the top left-hand corner to access your main functions, including contacts and status settings. My Status shows you your current present status, how many new and saved voicemails you have, the last 3 calls you made, any groups you're part of, and other useful information. Tap on Directory or My Presence to go to these functions. Directory. The directory gives you contact information for all your colleagues, including their present statuses and whether they're on a call or not. Quickly find the people you talk to most by adding them to your favourites. Just tap the star icon in their contact details and they'll appear at the top of your directory list. Alternatively, tap on a letter at the side to jump to contacts whose surname begins with that letter. Tap the contact to view their full details. You can use the phone and text icons to call colleagues or send them a message from the directory. My Presence. My Presence lets you update your present status on the move. Just tap your current status to see a list of presence options. Choose your new status and change the time or date information if the default setting isn't right. Then just press Update Presence to make the change. Your status in the company directory will update as well, so your colleagues can see if you're able to take calls. Once you've changed your status, your calls will be handled according to the rules set up by the administrator for that particular status. Follow Me. A Follow Me number is an alternative UK number that you can forward all your incoming calls to. Just enter the full number, not an extension, and tap Activate, and then Deactivate to stop your calls being forwarded. My Groups. My Groups lets you check which groups you're in, if any. Click on a group to see a list of its members and their present statuses. Settings. If you decided to skip the download of contacts from your BT One Phone company directory to your phone's local address book, you can do it in Settings by turning on Local Directory Sync. Log out will disconnect the app from the BT One Phone service. Help. Use Help to contact the BT One Phone help desk and view active call handling options, depending on what you have permission to see. With the BT One Phone mobile app, you can manage your calls and account settings on the move and with ease. If you want more information about how to get the best from your BT One Phone mobile app and answers to other common questions, visit bt.com/BT One Phone Help.